Are you considering to buy land? If you're considering to buy land, I'm advising you to save this video and refer to it when you're buying that land. So, in today's video, I felt it pertinent to talk about how land is measured. I have noticed that very many people undermine this important element when it comes to buying land. When you're buying land, you're supposed to be aware of how land is measured. Or you're at least supposed to be aware of the minimum size required when you're buying land that you want to title in the long run, so that you don't end up buying land that you cannot title or doesn't meet the requirements and you feel cheated at the end of the day. Hi, my name is Joan.A. I'm a lawyer and welcome back to Law Joan. In today's video, we're going to be looking at how land is measured so that we avoid feeling cheated at the end of the day, or we avoid ending up where wanted to title land, only to find out that the land he had bought could not be titled. Why? It could not meet the minimum requirements set by Ministry of Lands. So the minimum size that is set by Ministry of Lands for someone to title their land is 50 by 100 feet. But however, let me call this person Moses for confidentiality reasons. So Moses had always wanted to acquire land in Gayaza, and he had always wanted to get a 50 by 100 feet. However, one day he got a phone call from the broker who was telling him that he had got for him the perfect land that he was always looking for. This broker told him that the 40 by 120 feet that he purchased was bigger than the 50 by 100 feet. So Moses thought when you're measuring land, you add both sides of the land, meaning when you add 40 plus 120, of course you're going to get 160. And when you add 50 plus 100, you're going to get 150. So you're going to conclude that land of 40 by 120 feet is bigger than the land of 50 by 100 feet, which is actually very wrong. When you're measuring land, you're supposed to get the area of both sides. So when you get the area of both sides, you're going